Hi student, in today's session we will discuss about filling of electrons of d orbitals in octahedral complexes in strong filled and weak filled ligand. It is important to note that if the octahedral complexes formed in weak filled ligand, then splitting of d orbital in T2G and EG set will be minimum and the value of del O will be lower as compared to that of in strong field. And before filling of electron in d orbitals of octahedral complexes in T2G and EG set of orbital after the splitting, it is important to note that in case of weak field, filling of electron takes place according to Hund's rule, which means electron first singly filled in both the orbital, then they get paired up. Whereas in case of strong field ligand, electrons are first paired up into T2G set of orbital. Let's start with the weak field. We have D1 configuration, so we can put one electron in T2G set and its configuration will be T2G1 EG0. Similarly, if there are two electrons, then what we need to do, we need to fill two electrons in T2G set and the configuration will be T2G2 EG0. Similarly, for D3, we have to fill 3 electrons in T2G set and it will be T2G3 EG0. If there are 4 electrons, then first 1, 2, 3 and then it will be paired. Then it will be jumps to the EG set of orbital and it will be T2G3 EG1. If there are 5 electrons, first singly filled 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Therefore, configuration will be T2G3 EG2. T2G3 EG2. Now, if there are 6 electrons, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then 6 means it will be T2G4 EG2. In case of D7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It will be T2G5 EG2. For D8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, pairing up, and again pairing up. This will be T2G6 EG2. For D9, there are already 6 electrons in T2G set and therefore 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So configuration will be T2G6 EG3. For D10 configuration in weak field, 6, 7, 8 and then 10. The configuration will be T2G6 EG4. So we have already write down all the electronic configuration from D1 to D10 under the influence of weak ligand. Similarly, in case of strong field complexes, for D1 we fill one electron in T2G set. It will be T2G1 EG0. For D2, 2 electrons in T2G set like this 1, 2. So it will be T2G2 EG0. For D3, 1 2 3, it will be T2G3 Eg0. For D4, 1 2 3 and then 4, it will be T2G4 Eg0. For 5 electron, 1 2 3 4 and 5, it will be T2G5 Eg0. For D6, 2 to 4 and 2 6, so it will be T2G6 Eg0. For D7, 6 electron in T2G and 1 electron in Eg, it will be T2G6 Eg1. For D8, 6 7 8, or you can write like this, T2G6 Eg2. For D9, 6 8 and 9, so it will be T2G6 Eg3. For D10, at the T2G set there are 6 electron and Eg set 4, so it will be T2G6 Eg4. Hope you understand the topic which is related to the filling of electron in T2G and Eg set of orbital under the influence of strong ligand in octahedral complexes.